Knoxville Zoo.
Say a command.
Cancel.
Cancelled.
Well, funny.
What's going on these?
You never know what's going to make the scene a kick off. If they kind of use the signal or something, right? Just gonna leave you guessing there. Am I getting off the ramp? Am I going down the road and gonna run you over? Take your chances. Hogging on the shade. GoPro, stop recording. It's the Lone Wolfer. What's up, Lone Wolfer? There goes the Lone Wolfer.
First ever sighting of a Cybertruck in the real world. Is this thing stupid looking?
What's going on, guys and girls? I am on my way to an appointment. Just got back from a moto camping trip to Roan Mountain State Park. It was a great trip. You know, one of the best things about having two motorcycles is when you get done with a trip on one, you can hop on the other.